Have you ever wondered what Tesla is planning for 2025? This year, the company is pushing boundaries like never before. From affordable electric cars to self-driving taxis, humanoid robots, massive energy projects, and even the possibility of Tesla phones and airplanes, Elon Musk's company is aiming to dominate multiple industries. Tesla is not just a car company anymore. It's an innovation powerhouse. In this video, we'll break down everything Tesla is working on for 2025, including their upcoming vehicles, artificial intelligence, energy projects, and futuristic technology. Stay tuned for some mind-blowing developments. Tesla's 2025 vehicle lineup. Number 1. Tesla's $25,000 electric car, Project Redwood. For years, Tesla has talked about making electric vehicles more affordable, and 2025 is the year it finally happens. The upcoming Tesla compact EV, codenamed Project Redwood, is set to become Tesla's cheapest car ever, with a starting price of around $25,000. Unlike previous models, this car is designed to appeal to a global audience, making electric mobility accessible to millions. Tesla plans to manufacture the Redwood in Gigafactory, Texas, with potential production expansions in Germany and China. The vehicle is expected to have a smaller battery pack, but still offer a range of over 250 miles per charge. It will also feature Tesla's latest full self-driving FSD software and a sleek new design inspired by the Model 3 and Model Y. If Tesla delivers on its promises, the Redwood could completely change the EV market and put pressure on traditional automakers. Number 2. Tesla Model S and Model X refresh. Tesla's luxury flagship vehicles, the Model S and Model X, are getting a big refresh in 2025. While Tesla has continuously improved its cars through over-the-air software updates, 2025 will bring physical design changes to keep these vehicles competitive. The Model S Plaid, already one of the fastest electric cars in the world, is rumored to get an updated interior, a redesigned front grille, and even longer range. Meanwhile, the Model X will see enhancements in autonomous driving, better aerodynamics, and possibly a higher performance Plaid Plus variant. Tesla knows that its luxury lineup needs to stay ahead of competitors like Lucid, Porsche, and Mercedes, and these updates will ensure the Model S and X remain top choices for premium EV buyers. Additionally, Tesla is expected to introduce new color options and premium interior materials to enhance the luxury feel of these models. The steering and suspension systems may also receive upgrades for a smoother and more responsive driving experience. With these improvements, the Model S and Model X will continue to set the standard for high-performance electric luxury vehicles in 2025. Number 3. Tesla Cybertruck. Full-scale production begins. The Tesla Cybertruck has been one of the most hyped vehicles of the decade, and 2025 will be its breakout year. After years of delays, Tesla is finally ramping up mass production at Gigafactory in Texas. The Cybertruck's angular stainless steel design, armored glass, and insane acceleration have made it one of the most talked about electric trucks in history. Early models were produced in limited numbers, but in 2025, Tesla plans to scale up production to meet the massive demand. Customers can expect multiple configurations, including a single motor, dual motor, and tri-motor version, with ranges up to 500 miles. Tesla is also developing a special off-road edition, making it even more versatile for adventure seekers. In addition, Tesla is working on new software updates that will enhance the Cybertruck's self-driving capabilities and off-road performance. There are also rumors about a solar roof option, which could extend the truck's range using sunlight. With full-scale production finally underway, 2025 is shaping up to be the year the Cybertruck dominates the EV truck market. Number 4. Tesla Semi, the future of trucking. Tesla is also making moves in the commercial trucking industry. The Tesla Semi, which first started production in late 2023, will be delivered to more businesses in 2025. This electric semi-truck can travel up to 500 miles on a single charge and features megachargers that allow it to recharge up to 70% in just 30 minutes. Companies like Pepsi and Walmart have already started using the Tesla Semi, and in 2025, Tesla plans to expand its production capacity to meet rising demand. With rising fuel prices and stricter environmental regulations, Tesla's Semi is positioned to disrupt the entire trucking industry. Number 5. Tesla Roadster 2.0, the fastest car in the world. One of the most exciting vehicles Tesla is working on is the Roadster 2.0, which promises to be the fastest production car ever built. Originally announced in 2017, the Roadster has been delayed multiple times, but 2025 is expected to be the year it finally arrives. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just 1.1 seconds, the new Roadster will be faster than any gas-powered supercar. Tesla even plans to offer a special SpaceX package with rocket thrusters, allowing for even greater acceleration and handling. Elon Musk has called this car a true game-changer, and if Tesla can deliver, it will redefine the performance car market. The Roadster 2.0 will also feature an ultra-high-capacity battery, giving it a range of over 600 miles on a single charge. Tesla is focusing on lightweight materials and aerodynamic improvements to maximize speed and efficiency. If all goes as planned, the Roadster could become the ultimate electric hypercar, pushing the limits of EV technology in 2025. Tesla's expansion into AI and robotics. Number 6. Optimus Robot, Tesla's humanoid worker. Tesla isn't just building cars, it's also entering the world of robotics. In 2025, Tesla will ramp up production of the Optimus humanoid robot, designed to assist in factories and homes. Optimus is a 5'8" robot capable of performing repetitive or dangerous tasks, helping reduce the need for human labor. Tesla plans to deploy thousands of Optimus robots in its factories first before making them available to businesses and consumers. If Tesla can scale this technology, it could be one of the biggest advancements in automation in modern history. Number 7. Tesla's ride-sharing network. In 2025, Tesla is launching its own ride-sharing service to compete with Uber and Lyft. This service will start with human drivers using Tesla vehicles, but will eventually transition to self-driving robo-taxis. Tesla's vision is to create a fully autonomous ride-hailing network, where owners can rent out their Teslas when they're not using them. This could completely change how people think about car ownership. Tesla's energy and charging innovations. Number 8. Tesla Megapacks, powering cities. Tesla is expanding its energy business by building Megapack factories to store and distribute renewable energy. These large-scale battery units can power entire cities, helping reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Tesla's new Megapack facility in Texas will become one of the largest battery production sites in the world in 2025. The Megapack system is designed to work with solar and wind farms, storing excess energy for use during peak demand. Tesla is also developing advanced AI-driven energy management software, allowing for smarter and more efficient power distribution. With these innovations, Tesla is positioning itself as a leader in the global push for sustainable energy solutions in 2025. Number 9. Supercharger expansion. Faster charging for everyone. Tesla is also improving its supercharger network. In 2025, Tesla will roll out V4 superchargers, which offer faster charging speeds and support for non-Tesla EVs. This expansion will make long-distance EV travel easier than ever before. The V4 superchargers are expected to deliver charging speeds of up to 350 kilowatts, allowing Tesla vehicles to regain over 200 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Tesla is also expanding the number of supercharger locations, especially along highways and remote areas, to ensure better coverage. Additionally, new payment options and seamless app integration will make charging more convenient for both Tesla and non-Tesla drivers. Will Tesla make a phone or an airplane? 10. Tesla PiPhone. Real or just a rumor? For years, rumors have circulated about a Tesla phone known as the Tesla Model Pi. While Tesla has not confirmed its existence, speculation suggests it could be designed to work seamlessly with Tesla cars and include advanced AI features. Some believe the Tesla phone could be announced in 2025, but for now, it remains a mystery. 11. Tesla's electric airplane. Elon Musk has hinted at an electric airplane, but Tesla has not made any official announcements. However, a Tesla aircraft could become a reality in the next decade, with battery technology improving. Musk has suggested that a long-range electric jet would require high-energy density batteries, which Tesla is actively developing. If successful, a Tesla aircraft could revolutionize short-haul flights, offering a quieter and more sustainable alternative to traditional planes. While 2025 may not see a full launch, Tesla's advancements in battery and aerodynamics technology bring this vision closer to reality. Tesla is shaping the future in more ways than one. Whether it's electric cars, robots, AI, or renewable energy, 2025 is going to be a huge year for the company. What do you think is the most exciting Tesla project for 2025? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest Tesla news. Thanks for watching.